How to add longer videos on Facebook Messenger Story. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to add longer videos on Facebook Messenger Story. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Messenger app is up to date. So if not, please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Messenger, and make sure to click on that update button if it is available. Assuming that you have done updating your Messenger, you may now open it and click on the Stories section right here, found on the lower right corner of the screen. So if you don't have this button, you may go to People and then click on Stories on the upper right of the screen. And then now, you may choose or add your story right here. So let's take a video first right here. So whenever I click this 2-minute video, it will say that this video is too long. And as you can see, there is a trim button or icon right here. So what we're going to do is to take a video from our camera. So use the camera app of your iPhone or phone and then um, take a video right there. So once you have taken a video, you may go back to Messenger and go to camera. So um, right here, you do not have to take another video, but you may go to this album right here or the upload button. So go ahead and click on that and choose the video that you want. And as you can see right here, there is no trim button or there is no pop-up which says the video is too long. So now you may add this to your story and then that's it. That's how you can add longer videos on Facebook Messenger story.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.